প্রথমেই আমি আনন্দবাজারের তরফ থেকে, আনন্দবাজার ডিজিটালের তরফ থেকে আপনাদের টিম লুটকেসকে একটা ওয়ার্ম ওয়েলকাম জানাচ্ছি। এবং আমি জানি আমার দর্শকরা প্রচন্ড এক্সাইটেড এরকম তিনজন মানুষকে একটা ফ্রেমে দেখতে পেয়ে, এবং তাদের সঙ্গে কথা বলবো, আমরা আড্ডা মারবো আজকে লুটকেস নিয়ে এবং তাদের জীবন নিয়ে। এবং সবচেয়ে স্ট্রাইকিং যেটা একটু আগে যেটা হচ্ছিল, আমি একটু শেয়ার করতে চাই আমার দর্শকের সঙ্গে। আমি প্রথমে গজরাজ জির কাছে যাব। আপনি কেমন আছেন?
একেবারে ভালো। আপনি কেমন আছেন?
দেখুন উনি কি চমৎকার বাংলা বলেন এবং আমাকে পুরো চমকে দিয়েছেন, এত ভালো বাংলা বলেছেন। এবং আপনি আমাদের যে দর্শক, আনন্দবাজারের দর্শক, কলকাতার দর্শক, তাদেরকে কি বলতে চান?
আমি বলতে চাই, কালকে সন্ধ্যাবেলা 7:30টার সময় আমাদের ফিল্ম আসছে লুটকেস, ডিজনি হটস্টারতে। তো প্লিজ আপনি সবাই মিলে দেখুন, খুবই আনন্দ পাবে।
তো আপনিও বাড়ি থেকেই নিশ্চয়ই ছবিটা দেখবেন?
বাড়ি থেকে
ছবিটা দেখবেন। আমি রণবীরের কাছে যাচ্ছি। রণবীর, কিরকম কি মনে হচ্ছে এই যে প্রমোশন চলছে এবং এত আমি চারিদিকেই দেখছি লুটকেস নিয়ে খুব কথা হচ্ছে, গানগুলো খুব হিট হয়েছে।
ও বাংলা বুঝে না, ও বাংলা
বাবা
আমি বাংলা বলাবো, ও বাংলা বলেছে এসে, ও আমাকে চমকে দিয়েছে।
আমি একটু জানি বাংলা, so much Bangla jani na, but my son Jani, I think. Say something in Bengali.
Okay. He is learning Bengali.
His mother tongue is Bengali.
Oh, acha.
I want to say something in Bengali.
Yeah, sure.
What? Huh? Of course you do. Anyway.
Rajesh, please.
Got so much with Barun Mukherjee. All I want him to do is his assistant saying, "Tumi kichu na janis."
Kichu na janis. So it's just tell me first, all three of you, that you're promoting your films, sitting in your room. Lockdown series is going on. How it's feeling like? It's because for me it's a positive thing, because I'm just talking with three of you on my home in chair. It's very not easy for me to get connect with Mumbai people. So thanks to the PR team also. So, but how you people are feeling now?
It's extremely convenient, I can tell you. For men especially, none of us are wearing pants right now. So there you go. It is very positive sign for us. We're all feeling nice and comfortable in this hot environment.
Right. So it has the same impact, do you feel, as a director?
Okay, on a more serious note, this is the first time I'm promoting a film, because this is the first time I am directing a film. So I wouldn't know the difference. Maybe for me it will be a graduation when I go into promoting a film in one location with all actors and the crew in one central location. But otherwise, I would imagine there are lots of positives. We're all in the comfort of our homes right now. We all are, we don't have to travel. There's so much of pollution that you're like not contributing to.
Right.
Correct? And well, it maybe looks like it's a taste of things to come in the future. You better get used to it.
Maybe. And we are all looking for the release also. We heard all the songs, like, especially the Pavitra Papi, right?
Yes.
Pavitra Party.
Sorry. That's a
Pavitra Papi is also a nice concept, huh? Pavitra Papi.
Pavitra Papi was a movie with
in Bengali.
In Bengali, na Hindi mein bana. Right. Same film was remade into.
Papi gudiya tha.
नहीं पवित्र पापी एक फिल्म था। हिंडोल, जल्दी चेक करके बताओ।
So Gajraj sir, I want to come to you next. What is the USP of the film, do you think, Loot Case?
USP হচ্ছে এটা, এই যে ফিল্ম আছে পুরোপুরি একটা এর মধ্যে নন ভেজিটেরিয়ান জোকস নেই, যেটা মানে আজকে একটা জনরা চলছে, তো মানে কমেডি করার জন্য you require some kind of views and some non-veg joke. তো এটা পুরোপুরি 100% ফ্যামিলি এন্টারটেইনমেন্ট আছে। তো এই যে বিপত্তি চলছে ওই সময় সব বাড়িতে বসে একসাথে, কাকু, দাদি, ঠাকুমা সব বসে একসাথে এই সিনেমাটা দেখতে পারবে।
Wow, that's a fantastic idea. And what the role you play. I'm just guessing that the role you are playing, but how you feel that playing that role, you know, me
what
and
happened?
the people.
I got this film. We started shooting immediately after Badhai Ho's shoot, and suddenly that was very powerful part. Badhai Ho, the whole process,
Yeah,
and
definitely.
uh, before I get into more into that fatherly thing, this part came my
Came
way,
here.
and इसने मेरा वो जो पूरा जो एक break कर दिया, mold break कर दिया. It helped me a lot emotionally also. I
Okay.
enjoyed playing this part, and plus came out of that Jitendra Kaushik's world.
Okay, okay. And to Ranveer, to you, you always choose a different kind of film. In a way, I wanted to explain that the character you choose for yourself, not to get some fame or for any commercial film like that. It has always a different impact as an actor on you and on your audience also. So, what about Loot Case?
Yes, I think one of the greatest charms of being an actor is to be able to play completely different people, to inhabit completely different lives,
Yeah.
and also to learn completely different things. So as an actor, I think what you hone is your ability to quickly learn something new. And with Loot Case, uh, as far as the part is concerned, see, I've grown up in Mumbai, so I have seen a lot of Mumbai police, and had interactions with them, and playing an encounter specialist in Loot Case, which is actually a comedic film, and I probably have the most dramatic part out of all the people in the film, because of course the comedy happens around him, around my character, but my character itself is pretty dramatic, I would say, instead of comedic. So Loot Case is a new experience for me to play, to be able to play the foil in a comedy. In
Right.
that sense, I think most of the other comedies that I do, I have ended up getting a lot of punchlines, but in this case, I got to play the foil, playing a dramatic part in a comedy. It was fun.
And just we are all missing, right, Rasika and Kunal also.
Kunal, yeah.
So what you feel? I will go to Rajesh also for this same question. What are the chemistry of them, or it's like a very closed door couple, or any that kind of thing? A story of a closed door couple, next door couple. Is it that, or any other chemistry also there in the scenes, in all the scenes?
Rajesh, mute. Rajesh, mute.
Yeah,
It's
it's
a
a
very
story of a just next door couple, or any other chemistry is there also.
I think it's a story of a very loving couple. People who, I mean, couple that really are in love with each other. But they're also in that situation in life. They're also in that particular place in life where there are economic difficulties. And Nandan, who's the husband, tries to do what he can to make his family happy. So it's not a situation where she's always craving. It's not a situation where they've gotten married out of lack of choice and now they don't get along. They love each other dearly, right? But there are issues in life. The wife doesn't think too smart of a husband. She doesn't think that though she loves him, she thinks that he could do better. She constantly is pushing him to do better, and she keeps telling him, there's so much we can do if we are on our own. We could go out there, start a business. You will not do business. You will not let me do business. So there are those dialogues which you keep hearing, and that's really something which is defining. This is the point in their relationship where they're now kind of maybe start getting a little cagey with each other, right? But otherwise, there's a lot of love. I mean, otherwise, anybody who finds a bag like this and if he doesn't really like his wife, first thing he would do it is just dump his family and take the bag and go, right? But
Right.
there's something that bonds him to the family. Right? He loves his child, he loves his son, he loves his wife.
The bonding, yes.
Right?
And
So
why you choose Kunal and Rasika? It's a very rare pair, I think.
I personally think that good actors have a way of finding that thing about the character that'll make them bond. Right. I mean, I mean, I've known Gajraj for a while now, right? There's not one evil streak in that man, right? He's somebody that I would call up and say, listen, I'm in trouble. I don't know how to go about this, and I can expect him to advise me and ask me to ask me to follow my moral compass and ask me to do the right thing in life. But he's a great actor, and he's somebody who I look at and say like he's somebody who can bring life into a role. To
Right.
probably not to give you an example, if I stabbed him, no, I'll see in the film if you stab him, real blood will come out from his character. Sauce won't come out of his character. Correct. So to me, I look at him like that. That's the kind of guy he is. So I'm saying, but the moment I sold him the brief, the moment I sold him the vision of MLA Patil,
ML Bhatti, yeah.
things into it which we did not even expect him.
Right.
To me, it's always great fun to work with actors. And
What about Ranveer? Ranveer.
आरके मैं अभी कुछ दिनों तक सॉस नहीं खा पाऊंगा.
Oh. So what about Ranveer also? Why you
What?
Ranveer, or
I
done
wanted to ask
that?
Ranveer, I've seen him doing some really funny stuff. And look, as you know, there is a very small artist inside me as well. So you try to see
Right.
Hey, hey, small मत
Small
बोलना,
artist.
small मत बोलना.
बहुत
I'm just saying that as a storyteller, director, what you want to also do is you want to keep breaking molds. I did not see Son Chidiya till that time, but I'm saying that I wanted to bring out a certain serious streak in him. You also realize as you're doing comedy that comedy is like a clap between two characters. You need two hands. So while one guy might say the lines, the actual comedy lands on the face of the guy to whom the comedy happens. Right? And to me, that is where the money is. That's literally where the money is. So you have lots of guys who are very smart at shooting off great lines, but you start laughing only when you realize the effect that it has on the person
Audience.
who's who's facing the brunt basically, who's facing the full force of it. So those are things which those are matters of timing, matters of poise, matters of delivering a dialogue not at the regular beat but at a slightly slightly off timing. So all those things are things which nobody can teach people. You just look at a person and you say, you know what, this person has it. I'll give him a brief and know how he will turn it to his advantage. He will use his sensibilities and make something completely different out of it. So those are things which you keep looking forward to in people. I mean, that's, to me, why not Ranveer?
So I just asked the same question to.
That should be my tagline for my career actually. Why not Ranveer?
I just wanted to ask you three of you the same question because we are in a different new normal state right now. What will happen to the cinema hall, do you think, as the part of industry you're working? What is your observation right now? We can't tell कि अगला साल ऐसा होगा. We can't right now. But the observation, the feeling of, I just wanted to know how you feel about what will happen to the cinema hall.
Actually, I am quite hopeful that by the year end, cinema halls will open up. There might be some changes in seating capacity and all, but I don't think that this is going to last. I don't think there's any long-term, scenario of cinema halls not working. In fact, I'm quite hopeful that by year end they should open up.
And OTT will be remain as it is.
Yes, and OTT will not just remain; it will function as a very important, let's say, safety valve. Because there's so much pressure on cinema halls for so many films to be shown. OTT is work as a safety valve for so many filmmakers and artists who can't reach the audience through cinema halls.
Right. Okay. Raji, what about you?
जब टेलीविजन आया था, इनफैक्ट जब 30s का टाइम था, 1930s, और उस समय यहाँ पे तो शायद कम होता था, लेकिन वेस्ट में, अमेरिका में रेडियो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज होती थी. रेडियो शोज होते थे, रेडियो प्लेज होते थे, और जैसे अभी लेट नाइट शो होते हैं, वो
हाँ।
रेडियो पर होते थे और उसको लेके लोग एक्साइटेड रहते थे, सुनते थे। और 50s में जब टेलीविजन आया तो लोगों ने माना कि अभी रेडियो खत्म हो जाएगा, इसका सर्वाइवल नहीं हो सकता। लेकिन वो बचा, ऐसा माना गया कि टेलीविजन आने से सिनेमा भी खत्म हो जाएगा, वो भी नहीं हुआ, को एग्जिस्ट किया। क्योंकि ये जो मीडियम है बड़े सालों के एवोल्यूशन के बाद बने हैं और लोग उसके, अब जैसे पॉडकास्ट और ऑडियो हमारी जिंदगी में वापस आ रहा है बहुत
Right, अभी आ रहा है
मेजर
बहुत,
तरीके
हाँ।
से। तो ये एक तरह का को एग्जिस्ट करेंगे सारे मीडियम। और जैसे रणवीर ने कहा, मैं भी बहुत होपफुल हूँ, ईयर एंड तक मैक्सिमम 1 साल बाद तक सिनेमा हॉल खुलेंगे। मैं खुद एक्साइटेड हूँ, मैं खुद देखना चाहता हूँ
We are
वापस
all.
जाके पॉपकॉर्न का डब्बा पकड़ के सिनेमा हॉल में
Right.
300 लोगों के साथ हंसना, खेलना, बोलना चाहता हूँ। तो दैट विल हैपन, पर साथ साथ में इसको भी थोड़ा और इम्पोर्टेंस मिलना लग जाएगा और ज्यादा। ओटीटी भी उतना ही हमारा इम्पोर्टेंट हिस्सा बन जाएंगे लाइफ का।
Rajesh, to you.
I think OTT and cinemas, like we've seen how they've coexisted, they will continue to coexist. Except that some of the, and in a strange way, they're also symbiotic because a lot of cinemas, at the end of the day, when they release and when they have a theatrical release, they finally come into the OTT platform, right? I mean,
Right.
one of the big OTT platforms.
That's true.
Everyone
That's
is
also
going to
true.
buying them. So I'm saying that if you missed out on them, right, then you always have the opportunity of seeing it, but on a much later date. Eventually, I think you will get into a scenario where I see the difference in there, in the sense that this is a lot more introspective kind of a medium. It's not. It's
Right.
like, for example, our film itself right now, Loot Case itself. It kind of, we wish that we could have seen it in a big theater because that's how we watch a big comedy film.
I just wanted to ask you that about, if I ask that, what you want, Lootcase to be in cinema hall or
I
in?
would have loved to see people. Imagine sitting in the theater of 500 people where everybody is laughing, and as an artist, you feel validated that
That's true.
everything that I intended. Yeah, there is a message that I put in a bottle and I sent from another planet, and people on Earth actually, read it. So that's how we are pretty much sitting in the dark. We're all sitting in a room. There's all darkness there. We're all sitting, writing, imagining. ऐसा लिखेंगे तो ऐसा reaction मिलेगा.
Right.
Correct. And then actually get magical for us. Everybody in the theater. I mean, I would want to sit in the stall seat, the first seat, and I would want to actually turn around and just look at the audience and see where are
Expression,
what are they
right.
getting, what are they not getting, what can be said better the next time around if I get an opportunity, what should be tweaked, what are the learnings. So that whole feedback loop gets completed for me. So that's something which we missed out on. But like I said. There will be those big films which people will only enjoy watching in a big cinema. I don't know now. There is this kind of big cinemas because you don't have a choice, are kind of released
Yeah.
in OTT. It'll be fun to watch how people respond to that.
So let's see. Hope for the best for the two things, the different medium, and for cinema and all about cinema. So all the best to the Lootcase.
Thank you, Shravanti. Thank you so much.
And I will definitely watch with all my family
And friends.
বলবো অফকোর্স আমি গজরাজজিকে বলবো একটু শেষ করতে বাংলায় যে কালকে আমরা দেখবো লুটকেস হটস্টারে সবাই মিলে দেখবো তো গজরাজজিকে বলছি একটু শেষ করতে আমাদের দর্শকদের জন্য ফর আওয়ার অডিয়েন্স a few words in Bengali.
Gajraji, unmute please.
যেটা আমি আগে বললাম কি এটা ফ্যামিলি এন্টারটেনমেন্ট আছে ওর এর মধ্যে সবাই যেটা অভিনেতা অভিনেত্রী আছে খুবই ভালো কাজ করেছে আর স্ক্রিপ্টটা খুব ভালো আছে আপনাদের খুব এনজয়মেন্ট হবে তো প্লিজ দেখুন আর ওই ওয়ার্ডটা মানে কি বলে ওই কথাটা স্প্রেড করো কি মানে বন্ধুদেরকে
সোশ্যাল মিডিয়ায় লিখুন কেমন লাগলো
হ্যাঁ সোশ্যাল মিডিয়াতে প্লিজ লিখুন আমার ইনস্টাগ্রাম আছে ফেসবুক আছে প্লিজ ওখানে লিখে জানাও আপনাকে ঠিক লাগছে কি না ধন্যবাদ অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ
থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ থ্যাংক ইউ অল অফ ইউ অল দ্য বেস্ট
Thank you, Shravanti. Bye.
Thank you.